got Mikey with me for sure.
Let's go. Got my confidence up, I got slide by Noah. He got me shining like mineral oil. Put me in the dough with my tots and boys. Let's go. Looking like I just won an award. The way that I'm chop, I should go out on tour. I did it by myself like an entrepreneur. I know that she bad, that's the reason she spoiled. She liking me cause I'm chopped by Noah.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy SliceGod, LilNoah, back with another video, and today I got my guy Sean in the chair. Only thing Sean getting today is a nice lineup on a mustache and a beard shape up. We're gonna start out by balding out the area at the top of his beard right before you get to the top of his ear. Then we're gonna make a guideline with our clippers with the lever open and about 1 inch in size, and we're gonna blend it out, closing the lever little by little as we work our way up. So basically, whenever you sit in the guideline, you want to start the lever fully open and work your way down within that guideline until it's blended out. Now I got the number 2 guard on. With the number 2 guard, I'm not sitting in the guideline. I'm just flicking out. Not trying to sit in the harsh line at all. Now I got the 1.5 guard, and I'm basically connecting the number 1 guard to the number 2 guard. And then I'm gonna go in with my lever open with no guard and detail that last little line out and detail the rest of the beard. Now it's time to do a pretty simple prep on the mustache, and it's basically just cutting it down. I got my lever open on my clippers, taking it down. You can use a number 1 guard, closed, depending on how thick you want the mustache. I'm going right up under the lip, and basically when it comes to lining up the bottom of the lip, you just want to take off the very little edges like that you can see through. Like you can tell where it's going darker. You don't want to cut into it because it's cutting into his actual mustache. Make a line off of the edges. Like clearly what you see right now is just the little thin, fine hairs that you can kind of see through at the end of the mustache. You want to line through that. Then on top of the mustache, it just depends on how wide or thin the client want the mustache to be. But all I can say is just be steady-handed and kind of watch out for clients twitching their lip and stuff like that. Because if you don't be careful, you will make a mistake and cut it off, and it can be totally their fault, and they're trying to make it seem like it's your fault. And the reason this can happen is because the vibration of the trimmer is so close to their nose. It could definitely be uncomfortable for a lot of people, so just be cautious for yourself and the client. I like to start my edge ups on the back of the beard. I spray a little holding spray on the back of it, and then I brush it in, get a little small little brush it in, then grab my blow dryer to quickly dry it up. And basically I like doing this because it keeps the hair sturdy, because beard hairs are so curly and randomly move all the time, so you want to keep it, intact and in place. Especially since he's salt and pepper, It really helps seeing what you're doing with the ash line and crispiness. I'm really just getting y'all the game. Y'all can run with it. Y'all can see what I'm talking about when you're doing it. And I feel like a lot of people don't take heed into beards. Like, for some people, even if they got a full head of hair, bro, that beard really matters to them. They could really matter to them more than a haircut. Like, you can mess their haircut up and they want their beard to be A1. So take that into consideration, because I'm really the same way. Even though I don't want my haircut messed up at all, but I'm just saying, that beard though, I want that motherfucker on point. Cause I can sharpen my haircut up myself, but that beard, I can't really do too much with it, so I need it on point every time. Right here, I'm picking at the beard before I do a quick little simple little shape up. None too crazy, none too sculpted. Just something quick and nice and simple looking. You basically want to grade the edges, get all the loose hairs, look at different angles, and just sculpt it to a nice simple form like it. So now I'm applying shaving gel across the top of the beard, and then I'm gonna grab my alcohol and kind of apply it right afterwards, just to keep it moist and not dried up, because shaving gel do tend to dry up pretty quick. As you can see, I'm starting at the top of the beard, doing short strokes at a time, wiping off any excess, scratching off any hair that's like getting in my way. I'm gonna show you right now, like if the hair is leaning toward the top of the beard as if it's gonna stand up, I do that little form right there and it remove the hair, and I'm nowhere near his skin. I'm pulling away from his skin and like catching those loose hairs that's standing up, you know what I mean? And yeah, and it works pretty good for me. And then I'm just working my way down to the mustache, keeping everything simple and not digging in, keeping it high as I possibly can while still trying to make some definition. This right here is definitely a good tip. Have your client add some air to his jaw, and it makes the skin tighter, so you can go for a crispier line and actually detail the hairs and get it straight as possible, and get a nice curve to it. So it definitely helps. You should try it out if you don't already. Now it's time for us to use the razor on the mustache. And even though I haven't showed it, I also did put shaving gel on top of his mustache where I'm shaving it, also with the alcohol to make it more comfortable for my client. Furthermore, having him bend his lip to make the skin tighter to prevent any nicks. Small steps like that help you prevent any mistakes you do not want to deal with. So basically what I'm doing now is removing all this stubble from the line we made earlier with the trimmers. And we just pulling it all to the line, make it dark and crispy. A little detail work never hurt it. YouTube, it's your boy SliceGod, LilNoah, back with some more heat. I appreciate everybody for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think about this cut. Just keep going ham. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna be back with some more stuff. Y'all think I'm alright? Watch this. Just stay tuned. I'm gone. Slap.